Animal care and service workers. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Animal care and service workers attend to animals. Work environment. Animal care and service workers work in kennels, zoos, stables, animal shelters, pet stores, veterinary clinics, and aquariums, among other places. Some parts of the job may be physically or emotionally demanding, and workers risk injury when caring for animals. How to become one. Animal care and service workers typically have a high school diploma or equivalent and learn the occupation on the job. Many employers prefer to hire candidates who have worked with animals before. Salary. The median annual wage for animal trainers is $30,430. The median annual wage for non-farm animal caretakers is $24,780. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, employment of animal care and service workers is expected to grow by 22%, much faster than the average for all occupations. Employment growth along with high job turnover should result in very good job opportunities. Experience varies widely, including on-the-job training, prior experience, education, and place of experience. Certification or licensing. Licensing not required except for animal breeders. Various certifications are available through professional organizations. Key skills. Compassion for animals, patience, physical stamina, problem solving, good judgment. Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to career and education, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.